Well, now that we've had a chance to see how we operate the Inspector 930 with the RF remote, we're going to pair up with the Android tablet, and we're going to show you how much better that is. The Android tablet, again, you never have to walk back to the machine. All of your menus, all of your diagnostic results sit right here on the tablet. So let's get started. Now just select the Bluetooth icon. There'll be a drop-down menu right here. Just look for your serial number, which is located on the left-hand side of the tester. We're looking for the last 4 digits, 2424. Select that. Once it's connected, the buttons will illuminate and you'll show power right here in the corner. All right, let's get started. First, we want to start by charging that emergency air. So let's go ahead and make sure your tires are chocked because the trailer will roll once you engage the emergency air. Now we can start checking our light circuits. Look at our marker lights. You can press the button as many times as you like if you want to see them flash. Check our left turn signal. And what it's going to give you are the circuit conditions. So we got the voltage at 13.7. We got an amp draw of 0.08 or 0.85 amps. This is the left turn circuit. Yellow wire, pin number 3, circuit condition is good. Get to the back here, we'll check our aux line. Now that the air is charged, we can jump underneath and we can go ahead and measure the slacks by engaging the service air from the tablet. I don't have a tape measure with me today, but if I did, I'd be holding my tape measure in one hand here and activate the slacks. You can do this as many times as you like. Make observations, pressing on the drums. If you got discs, you make those observations. But you can cycle these as many times as you want. This is where we can gauge our left turn signal, right turn signal, tail lights, brake lights. Looks like we're good. Again, offering the same circuit conditions for all the circuits. Finishing up, just launching into the side here, we'll look at our right turn signal, our marker lights, making observations because we can't tell you if a bulb is out, so it's very important that you observe the light turning on and turning off. And that concludes our electrical. Brings us back up to ABS, simple as that. All right, like I was mentioning earlier, that the tablet is far more efficient, in my opinion, than the RF remote because you never have to walk back up to the tester. And to prove that, I'm going to go ahead and go through the ABS, standing over here. So same thing, except it all shows up right here on your tablet. Checking the primary, secondary circuits, reading the PLC code, except it's much easier to see on this screen. All right, that's it. Wabco Easy Stop. 2S, 2M, cab lights on. No active faults, no stored faults. So, got lucky on this trailer, nothing to look at here. But we can continue through here. We can continue through our menu very simply. And again, everything right in front of us. Going through the menus. Here's your odometer. Serial number. And then finally, wheel speed test, ABS load test. So I'm going to go ahead and run the ABS load test so you can see it light up the trailer. Again, simulating the trailer going down the road under load at night. It'll give us our aux line health. So it's charging all the trailer lights. And that concludes our load test.